Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel for another MetaQuest tip. In this one we're going to look at how you can take a photo and a video. So if you're on the home screen, you're going to want to go down to the camera button there, and then you can simply see it's already recording, but you can click recording or click take a photo. If you want to use a shortcut, hold down the Meta button on your right controller, and if you hold the front trigger, it'll take a video. If you just tap the front trigger, it'll take a screenshot. If you're in a game and you would like to take a video or a photo, just press that Meta button and you can see right there underneath the title of the game you're playing, there's the take photo or the take video button that you can put right there. Or at the very bottom menu, you'll see that camera option again, so you can click on that and go from there. Or once again, you can use that same shortcut that I showed you before, where you hold down the Meta button, press the front trigger and hold it for a video until you see the red light, or just tap it for a photo. Now, if you want to change the resolution of your photos or your videos, go down to the quick settings, then hit the actual settings button. From there, you're going to want to click on camera. And on this, you're going to see a lot of different options. For the photos at the top there, you can change it from a landscape to a square to a portrait. As you scroll down on this, then you'll get to the video settings. On the video settings, there's a bunch of different options that you can change, from the aspect ratio to the video quality to your movement, so it's not so blurry if you're moving very quickly. There's all those different options that you can change as well. Hopefully this will help you get the best quality photos on your Quest. Thanks for watching this one. We'll see you next time. I'm Brian Sloan, artist.